Hi, my name is Josh. Welcome to the Tern Test Kitchen. In today's video, we'll be talking about the quick start of how to use and take care of your Tern Craft ice cream maker. Let's get started. Please refer to your user manual and quick start guide that came with your machine for full safety and use instructions. The first thing we're going to want to do is take the bowl and the paddle and wash them with warm soapy water. We want to be careful with the bowl not to use harsh abrasives or metal utensils because it can be easily scratched. After these things have been washed, be sure to dry the bowl thoroughly before placing it in the freezer, especially the bottom area. We recommend that you put this in a freezer set to 0 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius for at least 12 hours. This will ensure that the bowl reaches the required temperature to freeze the ice cream quickly and end up with a high quality finished product. Now we can make the mix. In our quick start guide, we share a very simple recipe that's just 4 simple ingredients. It's 1/4 cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of milk, a half teaspoon of vanilla, and 2/3 cup of cream. Mix the milk and the sugar thoroughly so that the sugar dissolves. Finally, mix in 2/3 cup of cream. Now that our mix is ready, we can get the bowl from the freezer. We will attach it to the machine by placing it on the base and rotating it clockwise. That will lock it into position. Next, we'll put the cover on, making sure that the back edge of the cover is underneath the lip that is on the machine itself. That will make sure that the cover stays in place. We can turn on the machine and add our ice cream mix. Now, with the paddle, we're going to use the front edge and we're going to contact it at the back of the bowl. We want the paddle to be angled down and the handle to be angled back. This will prevent the paddle from sticking and catching and splashing ice cream mixture out of the bowl. Using 2 hands, we want to put a little bit of pressure, starting at the top and slowly working our way down. Once we reach the bottom, we'll return to the top and do it again. We can do this over and over again until the ice cream reaches a thick, smooth consistency. You can find more information on churning techniques and other helpful information on our Learn page at ternicecream.com. Okay. After the ice cream has reached a dense, smooth consistency similar to soft serve, we know that the ice cream is done in the machine. If you want to eat it more firm than this, you can put it in the freezer for 5 or 10 minutes and rechurn it on the machine to be more like gelato. If you want it like hard scoop ice cream, you can put it in a storage container and put it in the freezer to enjoy whenever you'd like. But we like to eat it right from the machine. After you're done making ice cream and you've cleaned out the bowl, you can remove the bowl by rotating counterclockwise. It's then ready to wash with warm soapy water, and we recommend putting it right back into the freezer so that it's ready to use next time, and anytime you want fresh homemade ice cream, you're just minutes away. To clean the machine itself, you can rinse the bottom area with warm water, and you can wipe the outside and top with a damp cloth. We hope this has been helpful for you as you learn to use and take care of your Tern Craft ice cream maker. As always, we're here to help, so reach out with any questions you may have. And until then, happy churning.